Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're at the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip here in beautiful Las Vegas. We're going to visit the Strat Hotel and Casino. There's an awful lot going on up here at the north end of the Strip. The Stratosphere became the Strat. Resorts World will be opening shortly. Circus Circus has a new owner. The SLS became the Sahara. The Drew is that project that's been taken forever up here on the north end of the Strip is going to be called the Fountain Blue once again once construction resumes. And if you've driven up here on this northern end of the Strip, there's tons of construction going on the Strip itself. Lots of changes, and I think for the better. That's a nice sculpture we're coming up to. The family appears to be pointing to the 1,149-foot tall Strat Tower, which is the tallest freestanding observation tower in the United States. We're not going up to the Skypod today. I have a video, or actually a couple videos on the Skypod, but we're going to focus today on the hotel and casino. By the way, I mentioned the observation tower is the tallest in the U.S., and it is. It's also the second tallest in the Western Hemisphere, surpassed only by the CN Tower in Toronto. As I said, the tower is 1,149 feet. Original plans were for it to be 1,825 feet, which would make it the tallest structure in the world. However, the FAA nixed that. Alrighty, let's see what's going on inside here at the Stratosphere, shall we? I just realized I called it the Stratosphere right before that New York introduction, and old habits never die. It's officially known as the Strat now. This is PT's Wings and Sports, where you'll enjoy pub fare paired with dozens of craft beers on tap at the intersection of micro brews and macro flavors. You can keep tabs on all the action with their huge LED wall here or any of the other HD TVs throughout the restaurant. Coming up on the left here is the View Lounge. I guess they call it that because it's got a great view of the casino as well as the sports book right on the edge of it.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in the latest Excalibur video, as well as the Skypod video right here at the Strat. Congratulations, Wise Malik. This is the Remix Lounge, kind of a funky type of a lounge with lots of craft cocktails, and you can play lots of bar top games here as well. It's located right off the newly remodeled casino floor. This whole place has been remodeled, and they did a fantastic job. It took them about a year and a half, but it looks brand new. The vibe here is really good. I really like what they did with the Strat.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
We passed a few places to eat here at the Strat during our little stroll through the casino. One of them was McCall's Heartland Grill, which offers comfortable food at pretty much comfortable prices. Then there's the Strat Cafe, where you can feed your appetite 24/7. It's conveniently located right off the casino floor. If you're looking for a quick bite, there's Nunzio's Pizzeria down here as well, and there's also Strat Cafe, as well as the famous Top of the World restaurant. Both of those are located at the very top of that observation tower in the Strat Skypod. We're gonna head upstairs now. There's some fast food restaurants up here, as well as a huge mall. Last time I was here when I filmed this, the mall was pretty much empty and vacant. But I'm heading back in a couple of weeks, and hopefully now that things are lifting a little bit, that mall's going to be a little bit more busier. We'll find out in a couple of weeks. Hold on tight. Here's a retail directory for the mall up here. Again, a lot of the stores were closed, but hopefully they're starting to open up again. In any event, we're going to walk through the mall anyway. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And freeze frame. Do you see that sign in the window? Can you do that in a retail store? And if you don't feel like testing them out yourself, can you watch other people test them out? Lots of questions about that sign, but let's continue with our walk. That's about it for the Strat today. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out the Skypod videos on this channel. There's several of them, and they feature the views and sights and sounds and bars and shops and rides, the extreme rides they have up there on the very top of the Skypod. So make sure you check those videos out here on the New York channel.
Hey ladies, thank you for watching the New York channel.
Subscribe to the New York channel, girls.
Ring the bell so you never miss any of the man's videos.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.